All right, weekly basis, what I want you guys to do is check your moisture trap on your main air regulator that is located to the right of your load-unload station at the base of the machine. So what I'm gonna end up doing, push in a safety bar, always anytime that you're entering the machine, and now I'm gonna come down here to my main air regulator, and in the center here, I've got a screw on the bottom that I could go ahead and loosen, and what I wanna do is just make sure that there's no moisture coming out with the air. So I'll loosen this, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And as you can see, there's no moisture. And I want you guys to do that once a week just to make sure that your chiller's working. If it's not working, we're gonna catch it early and prevent any sort of damage caused by moisture in the machine. All right, so once you're done checking the moisture trap, go ahead and pull out your safety bar, yellow blinking light. The main display is gonna say machine's not ready. I know that. I can press start from any of my heat presses or from the main display. Machine's gonna home, and then I'm ready to go on to the next thing.